about to hunt right here. I don't want to hunt right here right now. Independence Day was last week, you morons. Going solo tonight. These coyotes, they're not ready. Hey, what's up, man? Colt Morris from Coyote Academy. So it looks like I'm hunting solo tonight. Had a little kind of debacle go down today. Don't really know what's going on, but yeah, I'm gonna run it tonight. We were gonna do like a 5-man or a 5-team parlay. We had that kind of all set up, but you know, stuff happened. A couple teams were kind of on the fence, and then this happened, so we just kind of made it gonna just do like a fun hunt and kind of like bragging rights. We were gonna do like a entry fee, but no need to do that. I mean, we could have, but we're still all gonna go hunt. So I'm hunting solo. Another guy's gonna hunt solo. I think one of his buddies or someone that usually hunts with him wasn't able to make it, and then there's another group that's gonna hunt. So it should be fun. It is like 9:17, 9:18. I'm gonna head to the gas station, get some drinks, and get some backy, and then I'm gonna go to my first stand. So yeah, we'll see how it rolls. If the action's pretty good, I'll keep on it. But if it kind of goes stale, I might call it a night, because my daughter, her birthday's tomorrow. Well, her birthday party's tomorrow. So I'm the grill man, so I'm on the grill, grilling them. But I'm gonna nuke some coyotes tonight if they're out there. We are great. Fireworks are going off. Watching fireworks right now. Are they over? Nope. Why don't you get up? Well, let's go, let's go make our own booms. Nuked him. Sorry, just me, Colt Morris, Coyote Academy. It is a little after 10, so we nuked him. knew I headshot him. I think. Nah, maybe I didn't. Didn't shoot. Oh, we got 10 plies, boys. Hell yeah. Oh. These are big boys. Okay. Nuked them, dude. Coyote Academy, Colt Morris. Probably a little bit after, right before 11, maybe a little after 11. One. Two. Hell yeah. Suck my balls. Pretty big place, really. Cool. The old bipod came in handy tonight. Colton Morris, Coyote Academy, number 4. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. That's what I gotta say about this night. I think the mosquitoes won more than we did, fellas. Ooh, okay. It is the morning of, or morning after. Yeah, it's the morning after. Hunted last night, been up ever since morning after. Just wanted to kind of give like a little recap. Talk about, hey, you all right, bud? Talk about the hunt a little bit and kind of what I expected and what I didn't expect, and I'll just let you guys hear it out. So, hey, bud, no, that ain't nice. Be good, good boy. Good boy. Hey, good boy. Be good. Okay. So we were supposed to have like a five team parlay this past like evening or night, and some weather kind of came through, a little bit of rain. Something happened with my partner, the guy I was hunting with, and a couple other guys kind of had some stuff going on. Go on, get down, go. So we had a few things kind of just happen, and you know, unbeknownst to I think all parties involved, really, we made the most of it. So there was another guy that solo hunted, and he killed 3 last night. And then there was another a group that hunted, and they killed a few there, but I think their videos were having trouble going through. And then I killed 4. I'm like, holy cow. I did not think, this is my first solo, I guess, running the call by myself and everything. So, yeah, that wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It's not exactly what I was expecting. I will tell you, I made my first stop, and it was a cut hayfield, huge hayfields, and they're just, I mean, it's like a shotgun style property, just real long, kind of like a big funnel. And I ended up calling 2 different stands last night on that same property. And then that's where you'll see when I kill that double, it's from the hood of my truck. I'm driving through the through the pasture. They've got like a little 2-track. They got a little 2-track that runs through there, and I was driving through it, and I just kind of got past these all these round bells that they had stacked on the right side, and I was coming down the hill. I was about to start, and I just, for some reason, I was like, hey, I better start scanning these fields a little bit. Well, I didn't know. I should say I did know, because on the first stand when I killed that coyote and I domed it right. I mean, I made a canoe out of its forehead. But when I was calling that one, and when I killed it, I had heard some other coyotes lighten up, and I kind of got like a roundabout. I thought they were farther than what they were, but they were actually closer. At least there were coyotes closer. I don't know. There were coyotes closer than what I expected them to be. They might not have been the ones that were chiming up, but that's here nor there. So when I was going down the 2-track, once I got past all those round bells, I was like, I better start scanning these fields. And I look up, I'm like, holy cow. And put my car in park. I can black out my Tacoma, and luckily I had the gun in the back seat, pulled it out. I'm like, okay, well, this is, I mean, you got to do what you got to do. So I lip squeaked a little bit. I had the gun over. So anyways, when I pull up, I get over top of the hood, and I'm like, okay, throw out some lip squeaks, and clickety clack, and don't talk back. I just freaking domed these coyotes. Like, I don't know, I felt like it was pretty smooth. I need to get a lot better with throwing the bolt. You know, just getting a lot smoother, quicker. I've been having some like hang-ups on the ammo, so I don't know if it's just that Daniel defense with the bolt extractor. That bolt extractor is a little flimsy, a little chauncey. So anyways, got those taken care of. I was like, oh sweet, this is going to be killer. Went to the next stop. I see a coyote, and I'm watching it. This next field is a bunch of round bells that are still out in the field, and it's beans, and it's like short beans. Like, you know, they're not up. They're not like super high. And I saw a coyote coming in, but I couldn't get a shot. Like, from how the crop change was in the back 40 of it, he was walking in that crop change row, or that old fence row that they honestly tore out, and I couldn't get a good shot on him. I was wanting to have a lot more. I mean, I probably could, but I didn't want to. I was like, I don't want to just risk it. Like, why would I just throw up something? Like, I want to know, like, there would have to be like a lot of money on the line for me to just toss a shot like that at a coyote and not know I'm going to kill it for 100% certainty. Like, I know we're all human, and we all make, you know, there's all human error. We make mistakes, and no one's perfect when it comes to shooting. But, you know, I would like to have every single percentage and odd in my favor when I'm trying to harvest a coyote or kill a coyote. And to be honest with you, you get a lot more footage. You do. You get a lot more of watching them, and you can do your own stuff. So anyways, got them taken care of. I'm like, okay, cool, this is gonna be a great night. I don't see Jack Diddley the rest of the night. Make my last stop, and I'm not gonna lie, I sat on that stand for like 27 minutes, I think, and I'm scanning the field. I spooked all the cows out. I was running a calf distress. Turn it off. Kind of scan the cows are gone. Next thing you know, the coyote comes trotting, crosses this little kind of tiny erosion, and comes right across it, and it's just working the low side of the hillside. You know, just cruising. So like top of the hill, it was working this, like, see if that was like it was like working all that. That's how it was working the hill, which makes sense. And yeah, he took one step too many, and for whatever reason, I didn't film that one. I thought I filmed it, but whenever I go to download it off of my Thermion, like Stream Vision 2, it says it like I can download it, but then whenever it goes in there, it's just like got a movie sticker or like a play sticker on it, and it won't play. So I don't know. Anyways, so what's going on is I'm gonna stay awake. I'm gonna get some stuff done here at the house, and then I am going to be cooking some hamburgers and hot dogs for the little chitlins, and we're gonna have a little birthday party. So let's have a good day. And yeah, have a good day, man.